to take note of. Okay, now first of all, always have your mask on at all times. Now secondly, if you have not scanned, there are QR codes at the edge of the seats, so do scan them, okay? Once again, very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hello! Welcome to the High Flyer Show, and thank you so much for being here with us to celebrate Jurong Bird Park's 50th anniversary. Now, we hope you leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to help our feathered friends from across the world. Now, speaking of feathered friends, I'm sure you guys have seen you're pointing at him, right? Right behind me, right? Well, that's our bantam rooster. Now, here's a fun fact about chickens, okay? Now, did you know chickens can lay one egg every 24 hours? In a whole year maximum, one chicken can lay up to 300 eggs. Now, to buy myself a chicken and cook breakfast every day. I mean the eggs, Let's go back home. What you doing out here? Alright, let's go, because I have to introduce another one. Alright. Come on, hurry up now. This way. Good bird. All the way in, yes. Now, if you guys think chickens cannot fly, well, the next one. Come on out here, Chucky. I can see you. Chucky, this way. Yeah, that makes one right here. Over here and up of it, touchdown! Now that's not part of the show. That's not part of the show. You can see fruits and nuts hanging on it, right? Well, some birds are going to be landing on top. Take a look right over there, because here comes Gaia. Hi, it's Mako. Come on out here, Gaia! Here he comes. Gaia's going to be accompanied by her best friend. Look up there, that once again, here comes Adric. Scarlet McCall. Now McCall happens to be the giants of the parrot family. In the wild, after feeding, they often go to rocky surfaces just like this to lick up on clay or chalk. But it will help them in the digestion of unripe fruits or palm nuts that they have eaten. Looks like McCalls are happily snacking right up there, but not to worry, because this will be their next stop. Hi, Sharir! And who do we have here?
Okay, this is actually Impy, and he is a scarlet macaw, and he is Jurong Bird Park's Go Green for Wildlife ambassador. Now, Impy here is very environmentally conscious that if he sees litter lying around, he will actually pick it up and throw it in the bin.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, you speak about litter, right? I've got some litter I'm going to introduce
you.
Okay. What do I have here? I have cutter paper, yes. This one is
metal can.
Yes, and
a plastic bottle. You know what I have here?
What do you have?
Okay, I'll show you. Everyone, I got a recycling bin for paper, one for metal and one for plastic.
Okay, let's see if we can put the right items inside the correct bin.
Okay, EP, let's prove him wrong.
Oh, there was the paper.
And he recycled! Well done, EP. Okay, EP, you got two more, okay?
What's next? I think he's gonna go for the tin can, huh? There he goes!
And in it goes! Okay, Sharon, you got his last one.
Of course, the plastic bottle.
Yeah.
Alright. Here he comes. Hey, Yubi! I think it's a little bit too high for him, right?
Okay, Sharon, relax, don't worry. Because EP here, he has his own cute little stool. Okay, why don't you pass it to him, okay?
Ooh, it is cute indeed. But are you sure EP can know how to use it?
I'm sure he can.
Okay. They are, after all, very smart animals, right? Wow, good job, EP. Wow.
Okay, he steps on the stool and he recycles. Well done, EP. Now, plastic waste has invaded our waters to the extent it kills millions of animals and fishes every single year. Now, plastic found in animal habitats can be a harm to animals like EP when they consume them or when they get entangled in them. Now, for this reason, they are also known as the deadliest monsters.
The deadliest monsters, we call it, huh? What a daily name, okay? Now, of course, ladies and gentlemen, EP have shown a very good example for everybody here to follow. I mean, hey, if the bird can do it, so can human beings, right? So let's bend our little right and fight the deadliest of monsters together. With that, let's give it up for Hilmi and EP! Now brought to you by Amira. Thank you so much, Amira. I'll show you what he can do, okay? Well, would you like to say hello?
Hello.
Oh, so sweet. Okay, now tell everybody here what's your name.
Amigo.
Amigo, that's his name. Now, Amigo, what would you like to say to all these nice people? Oh, isn't he the sweetest? Every day I'm out here with him, I never cease to feel amazed by him, okay? He's talented, you know, more than me. Okay, anyway, Amigo here is a very smart bird. He can count from 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
A perfect 10! Good job, Amigo! Oi! Oh, hello, son! Who is this? Oh, wait, son, I think I know who this is. This is Big John, right? okay, let me tell you about Big John, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, Big John here is a greater sulfur crested cockatoo, okay? And he happens to be the pioneer of Jurong Bird Park itself. Big John was already an adult cockatoo in an exhibit, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, on the 7th of January, Bird Park celebrates its 50th anniversary. So happy birthday, Bird Park! You can make Big John say hello, okay? Big John, you want to say hello? The silent version, huh? Okay, someone is shy this morning. Or maybe haven't warmed up. I can feel the warmth. Okay, Big John, want to say hello? No, huh? Okay, never mind. You stay there, relax, okay? Amigo can sing in another language. This time, in Chinese.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow! Okay, Big John can say, or rather can make a few sounds. Alright, let's see. Hello, chicken, laugh, cough, and bye-bye. Let's try others, okay? Let's try the chicken. No. Alright, let's try the laugh. Don't wanna. Let's try, okay, never mind. I'll move to Amigo then. Amigo, let's sing a song in Mandarin. Now the next song originates from Indonesia, titled Rasa Sayang. It means feelings of love. Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang. Do I sound the same? Yeah, perhaps, right? Okay, now the next song is an English song. It's a special song. But before that, let's try again. Keeping my fingers crossed. Alright, you wanna try the sound of someone coughing? Cough! Cough? No? The one? Never mind. I think he's not up for show today. I'll just continue with Amigo, okay? Next song is a birthday song. Who's celebrating a birthday today? Put your hands up! You have a birthday? The small kid, right? No? Oh, the lady in black. Don't be shy, lah. Your birthday one. We have one from this side. Anybody else here? Nobody else? Okay, anyone from here? Birthday today. A birthday boy in neon orange shirt. Very nice indeed. Anybody else here? No? How about from here? You know it's birthday. Someone's pointing. There? The lady there? Yeah. The ladies are very shy. Just say, it's my birthday today. And we have three, one from each side. The three of you, Amigo, will sing you a birthday song. Ready, Amigo? Let's go.
Happy birthday
today. We can help them by using paper or wood made from recycled items. So the less of the forest homes will be destroyed by men. A great pine hornbill! Hi, Mickey! In the wild, when hornbills runs to nest, they look for cavities in trees. Now take a look at the hut right over there, and you can see a nest box. Now that nest box is similar to the nest boxes that we give our hornbills here in Jurong Bird Park. In a very short moment, Vicky's gonna fly over to the nest box right over there. There she goes. So ladies and gentlemen, right now, Vicky's gonna be inspecting the nest box. And only if she likes it, then she'll hop right in. Anytime now. Ooh, in she goes. Now what happens next is that these hornbills will seal the nest using soil, regurgitate the food, and even their own droppings. You, Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can seal it up now. Slow and easy. Hey, Vicky, where are you? Are you hiding? There she is. Now, ladies and gentlemen, take a look right over there. Here comes Sunny, Jurong Bird Park, bird icon. Imagine right now we are in the wild. The feed is in the nest box. She'll be inside for 3 to 4 months. Now, during this time, male hornbills will have to go out and find food to feed the entire family. Alright, here in Jurong Bird Park will be quite successful in breeding Oriental pied hornbills. Hey, he missed his corner. Sunny, this way. Because hornbills are the only species of flying birds that has got eyelashes. Go check them out. Okay, now Sunny, you gotta go back home. Alright, off you go. Now what I have here is a hollow tree trunk. What these two birds have to do is to gather 4 fruits each. Alright, trainers, position yourself. Birds ready? All ready? Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Stanley! Good job, Amigo. Good guy. Don't be sad, huh? What? Excuse me? It was just a warm-up? You know how warm it is now? You want one more raise? Hold on a second. Hey guys, what do you think? Should we give Cocky here another chance? Yeah. Oh, majority wins. Okay, well, Amira, we're gonna give Cocky here another chance, okay? We're all nice people, okay? We all in this together. Alright, here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okie dokie! Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this time round is Cocky! Okay. You want one more game? No, you wait till tomorrow, alright? Looks like we have a draw and both of us are very good at gathering food. Let's give it up for the fruit gathering for gold. And save Mother Nature today. It looks like we're all set to go! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for the grand finale, we're gonna have lots of birds out here. So let's get started. First species from Africa, we have the great white pelican. All the way from Eastern Europe, let's welcome our Dalmatian pelican. Back to Africa. The most iconic birds of the world, with long, beautiful, lanky legs. We call them the supermodels of the wild. Who are we talking about? It's none other than, right over there, here comes our great flamingo. gems of South and Central American continent. Beautiful colors coming from out there and there. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our grand finale of birds. Can we give all of us a big hand? And with that, we've come to the end of the High Flyers show. On behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, have a great day here at Jurong Bird Park. And before you leave, remember, look around you and take your belongings with you. Thank you very much and enjoy your day. Goodbye, everybody. See ya.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Or you can watch my other videos over there.